So what is logo design? Logos are signs, they're marks of identity designed for easy recognition. That's just what it says in the book Logos by Michael Evermy. I love that. It's just a simple definition of what a logo is. A logo is the first impression someone sees of someone's brand. A logo is not a brand identity. It's not an identity itself. It's a logo. It's a mark. It's a symbol representing a business or a brand or a company. See, look at these two doors. I want you to see which one would you most likely enter. Obviously, the first one, it looks like an abandoned door, maybe some dirty basement or warehouse. It's got even a lock on it, and it's very dirty and rustic, and it doesn't look appealing. But if you look at the one to the right, you can see that it looks like a nice, maybe a house or a mansion. It's got some nice vines, and the door looks clean. It's got a nice wood embellishment on it. It's got a doorbell, and it looks very appealing. So a logo is the first impression someone sees when they come into a brand or they interact or experience a business for the first time. So the logo is the first door. It's a good, simple analogy. So if the door looks good and appealing, then people want to check out more. So logos are very important. It's not the most important, but it is one of the keys to having an effective brand. So it's always good to design good logos that are going to work well for the target audience, as well as ultimately bring profit in for a business and allow people to know that brand for the future. So a cool quote by Dieter Rams. He's an awesome product designer. He was from Germany. This awesome quote goes, "Good design is innovative, makes products useful, aesthetic, makes products understandable, unobtrusive, honest, long-lasting, thorough, environmentally friendly, and is as little design as possible." I just love that quote. There's so much things about design that people, the normal people can't catch and they don't understand. But if you really know what design is, it's very important in today's age. You see design everywhere, on packaging, on signs, when we catch transport or the train, in books, everywhere. It's very important. It's one of the key things that as humans we need in our life, or we wouldn't have clear messaging on things. So I just love this quote, and I thought that would be helpful, which is awesome. When you look at this, what do you see? I'm pretty sure you have already guessed it. It is McDonald's. If I added the red color, you'd probably get it straight away, but sometimes it might take a few seconds. But you can see it's just their simple mark of the arched M and a yellow M. So it's simple, it's a mark, it's a logo, and straight away you can identify it, because that's what logos do. They identify, it's a mark. They identify it with a certain brand or a personality, which is the key. So that's just a quick example of, a great logo that's obviously, global and works well. Same as Nike as well. That tick, it can be used forever. It's awesome. Another cool quick quote from Saul Bass. He's an amazing designer as well. "Logos are a graphic extension of the internal realities of a company." So, logos are one of the fundamental things you need as a graphic designer. It's one of the main skills you need, because you're going to use it whether you're working in-house, if you're doing freelancing, if you're working, in an agency, or doing whatever. You're going to need this skill as a graphic designer, and it's very important.